SDN has evolved quite a bit in the last 12 months. And if we look back to where we were in the first quarter of 2013, we had just seen a revolution called network functions virtualization. The first group of the ETSI NFV industry specification group had just met. We also saw the birth of another end-user driven initiative called the Open Networking Users Group, which also had just met at that time. And since that time, the end user, the voice of the end user has really driven and evolved how the definition of NFV, software-defined networking has really unfolded. Standards have matured, implementations have matured, vendors have matured, and what we see now is software-defined networking going out of the lab and into some initial deployments. Here at the Open Networking Summit, we saw at least a half a dozen real-world deployments in the keynotes, in the tutorials, in the sessions that were being discussed with real data, with real value propositions, and with real problems that are being solved. Problems like enhancements to mobile networks for disaster recovery, load balancing on an unprecedented scale that Microsoft was talking about, not to mention applications within large enterprise to enable cloud computing on a very broad scale with open flow controlled virtual switches. So software-defined networking is really come of age, at least it's come out of this idea of is it going to happen into when and how is it going to happen.